you are officially Watobians. Welcome. So this is just an introductory session, not necessarily a lesson. That is why we invited our parents, so that our parents can come and interact with us and ask questions. We love it. So first things first is, what do we do? I see we have veteran Watobians here, which means people who were here last year. But also, if you are new and you would like to know what exactly is happening here, well, we offer affordable extra maths classes from grade 7 to 12, all online, so you don't have to travel anywhere. And now we're offering maths literacy. So for now, this doesn't apply to you really. But if you do take maths literacy at some point, then you know we got you covered still, right? Which is amazing. I think that's incredible. Anyways, all our lessons are recorded and are made available usually within after 24 hours, but just to be safe, we say 48 hours. Okay, then it will definitely be up on the website. So if you missed the lesson for some reason, you know the recording is available. So let's talk about our pricing. Okay, so these are our subscriptions, the pricing for our subscription. We have 1 month at $2.99. You have your 3 months at $6.99 and your 12 months at $1,999. So the reason, parents, that I have highlighted the 3 months is because that is how long we recommend you keep your learner, your child, your learner. Guys, teacher brains, this is what's going on. It's buffering now. So this is how long we recommend you keep your child with us to see some noticeable difference. You know, we don't think 1 month is enough for them to, you know, make much of an improvement. It is possible, but we recommend at least 3 months, which is the length of a term, to see any type of serious difference in your child's results with us. Okay, cool. So for the prices I just mentioned, okay, at the end, I'm gonna have questions, and then if you want me to scroll back anyway, I will do that gladly for you. Now it's just me talking and wow. Hi, ma'am. Hi, Chandra. Nice to see you. So for the price, you get full access to the content that is already on the website. So what that means is all of those recordings I spoke about, you will be able to access them from the website. Okay. So if you, for instance, join and you've forgotten how to do some or other chapter that we've already done, you can go back and access all of our previous videos that we've recorded. So I think that's a pretty helpful. Hi, Luchevo. I think that's a pretty helpful feature. And then you get 2 live lessons per week. So your lessons this year will be on Mondays and Wednesdays. So what's important to know with these lessons is that we have a foundations class and we have a standard class. Okay. So in your foundations class, that will be at 5 o'clock and your standard will be at 6. Don't worry about where you fit in. You will take a quiz and you'll be well aware of where you're supposed to go. But the foundations class takes everything a little bit more, you know, slowly. So we'll be covering the basics on a much deeper level. And the standard class goes much, much quicker. So I recommend you stay in the class that you are given, because we would want you to be in a class that's more, you know, comfortable and stuff with your pace and where you are with mathematics. I mean, we're all here because we want help, right? No one's here because they're getting 100%. So I think just stick to the one you, obviously for convenience purposes, you're allowed to say, may I please join the earlier class or the later class? I know some of you have sports and stuff like that, so you would rather be in the earlier classes. So you're allowed to ask for that, okay? But recommend that you stay in the class where you were put. And then you get 1 quiz per week. Guys, this is not a serious assessment test quiz. We call it a low stress quiz. Okay, it's just to see this week, am I keeping up? Do I know what's going on? Okay, and your parents will be getting your weekly attendance and quiz reports. Parents, this helps you see, is my child keeping up? Is this helping? Where is my child struggling? So that's what you get for the price mentioned in the previous slide. Okay, now here are some important things to note for our lessons. First thing is that all of our lessons are in English. So if you For instance, in a high school where you do maths and Afrikaans, that will be a problem because we will not be able to translate for you. I mean, I know I can greet you in Afrikaans, but that's as far as Shane I go. It's very sad on my side. But all our lessons are primarily conducted in English. Each lesson takes about 500 megabytes of data. So this will help you with planning of some sort, you know. A lesson is an hour. So all of our lessons are 1 hour long, and we use Zoom. So our estimation is 500 megabytes should be enough to get you through from the beginning to the end of the lesson. We recommend that you switch your camera off because this will help you preserve some of that data, you know. Lessons are available during the holidays. Holiday lessons are much more fun, guys. They're conducted by like me, and we have fun in the holiday lessons. I mean, there's still maths, but like, we'll be there like, ooh, parents, don't run away, parents. Come back, stay with me. So we do have lessons in the holidays. If you feel like you want a break during the holidays and you're like, no way, I am doing maths on my holiday, that's okay too. That's okay, we understand. But we do have lessons and exam boot camps. So these are at an extra cost and they're closer to exams. So generally exams are June and December. So closer to exam time, we have boot camps where we cover exam questions. So instead of a specific one single topic, we will take questions from many topics and try to cover stuff like problem solving. How do you answer such a question? Where do you start? What are the important things to remember in each chapter? So we don't go in depth in any chapter. We just do exam answering skills, if I can say. Okay. So if you still need help, I suggest you write this number down, parents especially. If you need help with anything related to the lessons, related to costs and pricing and payments, this is the number you need to contact. Okay, for instance, if you notice that, let's say you can't find the link, or you got the wrong link, or it's not working, or you haven't gotten the report, this number is the one to contact. This is our customer experience team, and they will be right on it and help you with anything that you need, okay? Okay, I'm gonna give you a few more seconds to write it down. It's 060-085-8008. So that's the number to call when you're panicking and something's not working out and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't know who to call. WhatsApp this number, okay? Cool, I'm hoping everyone has noted it down. So let us meet the team, the Watobe team. And these two fabulous people that you see on the screen are our founders. Okay. So Eric is on the right, on the left. Yeesh, guys. Left. Must do this when you remember left. Eric is on the left. And we have Henry on our right. So these are the founders, these are people that are behind the whole team, what's happening. And I think they have put together a pretty solid team, if you ask me. So these are some of the Watobe teachers. Okay, so as you stay with the company through the years, these are the faces that you can expect to see. In my place right now, these are the people that you will see. And specifically for your grade this year, this will be a teacher. So her name is Sam, and she is fabulous, guys. She's such an incredible maths teacher. So if you come into a class and you don't see Sam, you know, you must be like, am I in the right class? So this is your teacher. Okay, she's really nice. She's an incredible maths teacher. She has experience. She knows the way around mathematics. Okay, so in addition to Sam, we have what we call teaching assistants. Okay, that would be me and some few other awesome people like me, including Lebo, who's here with us today. So our job as teaching assistants is to help, first of all, with technical difficulties. Okay, Zoom can sometimes be very difficult to navigate. Sometimes you log in and you cannot hear us, or you cannot see, or I don't know, your network is just messing up. First things first, our role as teaching assistants is to help you with technical difficulties. So what you can do is send a direct message to your TA. They will be introduced to you, obviously in due course. So you will be able to send the message and be like, look, I can't see, or I can't hear, ma'am, or what was the question? Whatever it is, technical difficulties, we got you. And also answering content related questions. Our TAs are just as qualified as teachers. We know mathematics, okay? So if, for instance, the teacher misses your question, or you are shy, parents, I know some of our learners are very shy. She doesn't want to ask a question in front of 70 other learners, and they're just like, I'm not going to do this. I can't do this. Then you can message the TA. Okay, I won't put you on blast. If you say, cats, teacher cats, why is the answer 4? I won't be like, okay, Level says, why is the answer, guys? I'll keep it to myself, okay? I'll DM you back, and I'll be like, the answer is 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have another personal assistant basically besides the teacher. The thing is, sometimes the teacher gets swarmed with answers and questions and the lesson itself. Main role of the teacher is to push the lesson, the content. So we are there for questions that they may miss, and of course, technical difficulties and many other things, keeping the morale in the class nice, keeping everything light. Some teachers, when they ask hectic questions, we are your saviors, guys. We'll be there and be like, here's a hint. So if you want a hint, you know who to message. Just be like, ma'am, what's going on here? And I'll be like, the hint is, that's us. So moving on. As I said, lessons are conducted over Zoom. You will get a lesson link according to where you are placed. So if you're in the foundations class, you'll get a lesson link along with the correct time that you're supposed to attend. And if you're in the Spanish, you'll get the correct link. So here are some of the tips we have based on our past lessons that we think will be useful in order for the lesson to go smoothly for you. Okay, I see something in the chat. Hi, ma'am. Masichava, welcome. Okay, let's see. If you cannot hear us, if you come into the lesson and you see my mouth is moving, or if you see me, there should be noise there because I speak too much, but you can't hear anything. Then you look for this button. Okay, chances are you are not connected to audio. So if you log in and you cannot hear the lesson, look for this button. As soon as you press it, a pop-up menu will come and it will ask you, hi guys in the chat, I see you, shout out. So, okay, Lisedi has a question. Lisedi, hello. Lisedi sitting there like, should I say something? There we go, hello.
Hello, sorry, I think we made a mistake. We're just trying to learn this Zoom thing. I'm sorry for that.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, we were just saying hi. Sorry to disturb.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so if you can't hear us, guys, join audio, okay? And then you choose the one you're using between Wi-Fi and data. It will ask you, are you using Wi-Fi or using data? Then you just select that, and in a few seconds, you connect it to audio, okay? Moving on, if you want to ask or answer a question or react with a thumbs up or thumbs down, please mute. As I said, someone is watching the news and they're like, well, we want everyone to hear the news. That is fine, we forgive you. So if you want to ask or answer a question, you go to reactions. So reactions, let's talk about the reactions button. If you press reactions, this menu will pop up. Okay, just as lovely Lissetti just showed us right now. If you press raise hand, it will raise your hand and your name will jump right up to the top of the list so the teacher can see that this person has a question or they want to say something and all of that. Okay, so you first press reactions and in your menu, you select raise hand. Okay, as you can see, there are a few other reactions here. The first one that is important is a thumbs up. Okay, the teacher will check with you sometimes periodically. Is everyone with me? Are you all catching up? Are you all good? And you can all give a nice thumbs up and you know that you're okay. Obviously, you see these 3 dots on the side here. Those you press if you are looking for any emojis that are not on the list. So if you don't understand, then you press here and you look for a thumbs down. So then the teacher can be like, okay, where did I lose you? Or how can I help you? Or what is your question? Okay. So these are very useful to help the teacher know, are we keeping up in the lesson? You know? And then of course you have the laughing button, because if you have people like me in your lesson, I'll be saying silly stuff and the teacher might mute me, but it's fine. You can still laugh, guys, it's allowed. So you can laugh, you can do the celebrating button. Oh, when we announce quiz results, sometimes we have like a top 5 for quiz, then you can all celebrate and clap your hands for them and be like, woo! We celebrate each other here, okay? We celebrate each other. So these are very useful emojis that you might need. Okay, I see something in the chat. Okay, noted, noted. See, guys, I told you, I won't expose you. Now you will all wonder forever what that message said. I have a secret.
Keep them in suspense.
I like the mystery, guys. Okay, so this is the chat box. Most of the time, this is where we will maybe recommend that you interact in the lesson, okay? Because as I said, there could be upwards of 70 people in a class. So if the teacher says, pop your answers in the chat, what did everyone get? We'll all pop our answers, just so the teacher knows, first of all, that you are working, because maths is not a spectator sport, okay? You cannot come to the lesson and sit and watch us and be like, no, yeah, I understand. We expect you to come with your book, your pen or your pencil, and your calculator, so that as we are working, you are as well. So once you have an answer and the teacher says, pop it in the chat, this is where you go, okay? Okay, spin. I always forget I did those things. And they always shock me when they happen. I'm like, oh, okay, let's spin, that's fine. Wonderful.
I'm okay. To the presentation.
I'm like, wee! It's nice when you're making it, but when you're presenting, they catch you off guard. They catch you off guard. So if you would like to change the audience for your message, like X, Y, and Z. Yes, Cindy. Yes, exactly. But I can almost guarantee you your answer will not be X, Y, Z. Okay, it'll be like 2X cubed plus YZ. I'm kidding. Don't run away, guys. Please don't run away. Okay, so if you want to change the audience for your message, this is the button you press. Can you see at the moment it says to everyone? So if you go and type a message in there, everyone is going to see it. Ma'am, it's actually Kellen. It's okay, Cindy, Kellen. And while we are at it, let's see if people can see how these message things work. Everyone, wait. I first have to show you a very important button before we do that. So this is where you change your audience. As I said, if you're too shy and you just want to message your teaching assistant, you will see they're usually the host or the co-host of the meeting. You just press the down arrow and you pick the person you want to message and you message them. So you'll be like, ma'am, why is the answer 4? Or I don't understand, or any of that. Okay, that is where you change the audience for your message. Then next, that is where you can type your message. So your question or your emotion or your emotion. Oh my gosh. Guys, you can't fill in emotions. Please, I take that back. My brain is still on holiday. I'm sorry. But this is where you can type anything you need to, and then you just press enter and everyone can see your message. Okay. And then I see people are messaging me, guys, you're testing it out. This is my favorite personal button. It's the emoji button. So first you can either react. When you react, it doesn't show up in the chat. Okay, I can only see it if I look at the participants list. But if the teacher says send the emoji in the chat, this is where you find your emojis. So while we are on that, everyone send me your emoji of the day. Norma Shubi has started because she's cheating and she high-key knew what I was gonna ask, but it's okay. Oh, we have a laugh face. Level's emoji of the day is dancing. Yes, happy to be here. Hey,
So excited.
is loud. Yo, Kellen, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Hi, Keisha. Lushevel is feeling 50 things at once. We see you. Raymond G. Silly girl. I see you. I see you. Chandre, Gamba. Ooh, Mutibang's like proudly South African. Guys, you have 5 times to tell me your nice emotions. You tell me stuff. Iman says laugh. Ratila says, guys, you all look happy to be here. Kellen is being creative. Kellen is like, boom. Let me just finish you guys. Guys, I noticed I didn't send my emoji of the day.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm teacher cats. Get it? Guys, I am.
Oh, my word, cat.
Come on. Teacher cats up in here with a cat.
That was a good one.
That is wonderful. All right, guys, I see your messages. Let me just respond quickly. There we go. Malwanda is sick. Please keep your mask on. We don't want to get sick in this lesson. I'm joking. Grandma is dancing, celebrates. Oh, I'm wonderful. Guys, you got the point. Okay. So sometimes when you come into a lesson, we'll say to you, give us your emoji of the day. Try to come a bit early, guys. Because sometimes we come in like early, like 10 minutes early, and we want to hear about your day. And we're like, how guys, did you write? You tell us your results. Please, we love it. We love it. Brain break. Let's talk about brain break. So this is what we do in the middle of a lesson to give your brains a break. Okay? So for today's brain break, we are going on a cruise. And for my veteran Watobians, I know you know this because Teacher Coco loves doing it. So what we do, guys, I'm going to tell you guys what I'm taking on a cruise. Né? And then you guys must tell me what you're taking on a cruise, and I'll tell you if you are going or staying. So the point of the game is you have to guess how you get to go on the cruise. You see? They remember last year's brain break with Teacher Coco. So I'm gonna start. Okay, I'm going on a cruise and I'm taking my laptop. I'm taking a laptop. Lebo, what are you bringing to the cruise? Let's hear.
I think I'll take my phone.
Phone, and Lebo is staying. Bye.
No.
Sorry, guys. Bushle, hi Bushle. Nope, Bushle ran away.
Hi Bushle.
Noma Shubi is taking an iPad. That's sort of cheating, but yes, you are coming. Come through, Noma Shubi. Come on, guys, put it in your chat. What are you guys doing on the cruise?
Oh, why did she get to go?
Puzzle, you are coming, Cindy. Tablet is coming.
I think Bushle wants to tell us.
I would take my PlayStation.
PlayStation, you are staying. Sorry.
Sorry.
Nintendo is staying. Books is staying. PSP is staying. Guys, what are we taking on the cruise? No, you must choose one thing. You see this cheating thing? I don't like it. iPhone is coming. Note 5 phone is staying. Food, Malwandla, you can give me the food, but you're staying. Technology, you are staying. TV, Mutebang, you are cheating. Please type that word out. Books is staying. Computer is staying. Ma'am, we did a nickname because there's another Cindy. No, Cindy. The other Cindy is not Cindy. It's complicated. Laptop, you are cheating, Fatima, because I'm taking my laptop. You can't do that. Chromebook is coming. Floater is coming. Puppy is coming. Guys, anyone know? Camera is staying. Anyone know how you get to go on the cruise? Guesses? Anyone?
I got nothing.
MacBook is coming. Let me give you another best celebrity you are staying. Gucci clothes is 2 words. I don't know if I can give you that one. Rabbit is going. Google is going as well. Snacks, you can give me the snacks, but you are staying. It's something small. No, it's not something small. Anybody? Lebo? Anyone? Dog is staying.
I'm so clueless. Like I don't know.
Guys, here's one last clue, okay? If you take your
Okay.
handbag, you are coming. Myself, Fatima, that is the smartest thing anyone has done, and you are coming. But you cheated a little bit, but you are coming. Does it have to be one work electronics? Nope. Change of clothes, you are staying. Samsung Series X, what? So many things, you are staying. Ticket. Ticket. You are smart, you ticket. I see you. You are coming on the cruise. Let's go. Let's go. Lebo, even now, you guys don't know. Clothes.
Like,
staying.
I mean, puppies are coming. Notebook is coming. I don't know.
PlayStation is staying. One word that can also be broken up in 2 words. 2 syllables, guys. No much is cheating because no much was not great. No much we see you. 2 syllables is what I wanted. Okay, sunscreen. Let's go. Master Chava, printer. We are going.
Oh my gosh.
Abelo, if you take out that my and just say coffee, but you'll be on the boat outside because you cheated. I see you. Wi-Fi, sunshades. Woo! Okay, guys. So that was just a taste of our brain break.
I missed that one. Hey, like completely over me.
When are you gonna keep staying? You must come on, man. That was fun. That is, and then usually after the brain break, we kill you guys. I'm kidding. I'm joking. I'm joking, guys. We don't kill you, okay? Okay. So let's talk about serious stuff now. We are back to. We are back. Okay, so these are learning areas that are important for grade 8. Okay, so these are actually important for the senior phase in total. So grade 7, 8, and 9. These are the learning areas that if you want to master maths, we recommend that you master. Okay, we took this from the CAPS document, which we follow, obviously, because we want that you guys to be in line with what you're doing at school. Okay, so first thing is data handling, which is all about graphs and data and your tally tables and your pie chart, bar graph, all of that. Okay, that's data handling, mean, median, and mode. I hope you guys all remember that. And then your number operations. Okay, this is the foundation of mathematics because here we're talking about adding, subtracting, dividing, all of that. Okay, and then we have patterns and functions. So all the 3, 6, 9, 12s functions are about, you know, when you substitute into X's and Y's to find the other variable, that's what we're talking about, your patterns and functions. And then of course, algebra, which everyone hates. It's okay, guys. So your 2x plus 2x, all of that will be your algebra. Space and shape, knowing what types of shapes there are and the properties of your shapes, what makes a square different from a rectangle, all of that. And then measurement. Measurement actually goes with shape, technically, because that's also all about your sides and your distances and all of that. Okay, so for your FET phase, you guys must just keep this in mind. This is what you must master. Okay. Cool. So let's play fastest fingers first. And basically that means you are going to give me an answer as quickly as possible. Sorry to interrupt. Bulela, is Teacher Coco going to teach you? No, Bulela, I'm guessing you were late. This year it is Teacher Sam. Teacher Coco will not be with us, unfortunately. It is Teacher Sam. Okay, guys, there's a graph already up. It was not supposed to be there. It is cheating, but it's fine. It's okay. So let's start with this. So this graph shows how many people visit a skiing chalet throughout the year, how many people visit all together in the 2 busiest months. Fastest fingers. I hope you guys have already started calculating. Guys, as soon as you have an answer, you pop it in the chat. 36. Yes. Laura's like, wow, dead. Grammar. Guys, if your answer is already in the chat, we still want your answer, because we want everyone to participate. So please. Kamba, Sabelo, yes, guys. More answers. Emanuela, Raymond G. Bulela, Iman, Oreo. Oh, Oreo, I was gonna be like Oreo. Guys, that is the best name in the world, but it's fine. Marandla, Dimpos, yeah. So we all agree that it's Cindy's like, I'm gonna elaborate in case someone is confused. 18 plus 18. The shovel, Emishe. Guys, we love it. Taylor Ann, Owami. Okay. Cindy, I don't know if it's the same Cindy. Cindy's on fire. Now Cindy's like 18 times 2. We see you. We see you. But fastest fingers for this round goes to Lara. Bo, 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 bo. I hope you guys are like sitting there ready for the next one. Well done, Lara, for your fastest fingers. Okay, are we ready for the next one? Even I forgot what I put here, so I'm also going to be surprised with you guys. Okay, let's see. Ha! Boom! You guys, fastest fingers. Let's see who's going to get so quickly. And please don't cheat me. I am allergic to this other device. This other device that you guys like.
No calculators.
I wasn't even going to say the name because it's haunting. I'm allergic to that device. Okay, we have an answer. Come on, guys. 1440. Woo! We have different answers. I like it.
Ooh, the suspense.
I am allergic to this other. If I say it, my tongue swells up. So I'm not going to say it. Just don't use it. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, cat.
It gives me heebie-jeebies. Woo! We have so many answers. I like this. Guys,
Ooh, keep those answers coming, guys.
Those answers on. Let's see what's happening. There is a lot going on in the chat. And I always have this habit of scrolling right to the bottom and then I get lost because I have to scroll right back up. Like,
let's see. Yeah, I'm the same.
phew, we have a lot of answers. Okay, Savelo is coming in with spice, 12 and a half. I see you. Okay, let's see with Rema, Matile, Savelo, Faranas, Raymond D, Gulela, Malwanda, Sia, Bayanda, Cindy, times 2. Yay, yay, there's a lot going on. We have answers from 14 to 5 to negative 23 to LOL to 50 to 4. Woo! I know you guys were like, boom, 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 boom. Cindy, this is the third time I see your name. I see you. I see you. Okay, let's talk about this answer, guys. So this one is going to come down to who did this one correctly. Okay. Fastest fingers also has to be correct. Let's see. So we have a square root of 16 minus negative 9. In the chat, we are inside now the square root sign. What do two negatives give me? We don't want this negative, né? What do two negatives give us? A positive, positive, positive. Thank you, guys. They give us a positive, right?
Nice one, guys.
So that means under our square root, we have 16 plus 9, and Luchevel has already told us that that would be 25. So now we have the square root of 25, which is how much? What is our square root of 25? Let's see, 5. So everyone, if you got this wrong, do you see where you made your mistake? That is what's important here. And I'm scrolling right to the top to see who our fastest finger goes to this time. Kutwa, nope, Dimpo. Well done, Dimpo. Bo, 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 bo. You were our fastest finger with the correct answer. And everyone says, Yebo. I'm glad. The point is for you guys to see where your mistake is. Remember, if you have a plus or minus 2 up 2 terms under the square root, you are not allowed to split them. Okay, so you cannot say square root of 16, which is 4, and square root of 9, which is 3, and then add them. You're not allowed to do that, okay, guys? Just remember that. Cool, are we ready for our next one? I was dividing by 2. Sabelo, I don't know what. Oh, instead of square rooting. I get it. Okay, someone says, I do not understand. Okay, let me first take this question. Hi. Raymond D. Hey,
Can you
girl.
unmute on your side, Raymond D?
Bulela, really? What were you calculating? Because it's just a triangle there. There's nothing. I see you.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, so Jordan, it's under my name, but it's Jordan actually was the student. Speak, Jordan.
Hey, Jordan.
Do
you have a question?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay. Jordan, I'll remember. Okay. Okay, guys, someone asked 4. Guys, you can't just assume. There's no question there. Do you see there's no question there? It's just a triangle sitting on its own. Guys, reading questions is hectic. But anyway, someone asked for me to explain. So as we said, we're going to start inside the square root sign because you cannot split them up. So what you have to do is figure out this first 16 minus -9, right? And then we said 2 negatives, which is what we have in the middle here. No problem, welcome. These 2 negatives give you a positive. So under the square root, you will have 16 plus 9, and that will give you 25. So at the end, you will have square root of 25. Remember, guys, the square root is what number do you multiply with itself to get 25? That's what square root means. That's why our final answer has to be 5. Okay. I hope the person who couldn't understand feels better. Give me feedback. If not, you can stay at the end of the lesson and I'll explain some more. Okay. Now let's move on and concentrate and do the correct one. Let's see. How much is 60% of 250 Rand? Fastest fingers.
Come on, guys, you can do this.
Okay, awesome. I've got feedback. Fastest fingers.
Send those answers through.
60% of 250. Lama TV says 150. Okay, let's see. We're still waiting. Grandma says 150. Kamba says 150. But you guys don't respect units. Wait. So I'm gonna start giving you the units. So Grandma says 150 apples. Kamba says 150 donkeys. Manuela says 150 stars. Now there's units. I see you guys. I see you guys.
We give you a chance to correct it because we're nice. So it's okay.
Mote Bang says 150 cows there by the farm. Woo! There we go. We are fixing our answers. Thank you, guys. Please don't give me heartburn. Woo!
Units are
okay, we have
very
150, a 24, a 40 rands. Woo! 160. Another 150. Luchevel says 150 pencils. Jordan is there calculating. These other ones, they took that other device, but I don't want to talk about it. It's fine. Jordan is doing the right thing. I see you guys. Are we all wrong, ma'am? I don't know.
The answer will be revealed.
I'm kidding. Guys, so the correct answer is 150 rand. Well done. Okay, so off sums, they said 60% off something. Off, remember, is multiplication. So 60% percentage is always over 100. So we have 60 over 100 times 250 rands. Not just 250 cows in the bush. Honey? So that's where we get our 150. And Nobasubi was first. Well done. But I have a feeling there's a calculator involved. It's fine. It's okay. Okay, are we ready? Let me give you guys a chance to breathe.
Yes.
Let me give you a chance to breathe. Okay, are we ready?
Get those
Woo!
things
What is the
ready.
highest common factor of 24 and 40? Woo, let's see. Fastest fingers. Highest common factor between of 24 and 40. Nonsense. Because I don't know what the highest common factor of 24 and 40 is.
Who's going to be first?
Ah, Laura. It's like boom. Shoo, and they all came in at once. They were like 100.
Right?
It was like everyone seems to be agreeing. Shout out to you guys for participating. Alfina just got here and Alfina's like, bah, with answers.
Within.
Finishing us dead. This is fun. Sometimes we do fun. Sometimes. Emphasis on sometimes. Thank you. You are welcome. Okay, so the answer is 8. We have established. I'm glad you guys know your differences between multiples and factors. I know it gets blurry in that, in that department. So your factors, 8. Yes, well done, guys. Is there anyone who didn't get 8 and has no idea why? Anyone?
You're allowed to ask. Don't be shy.
Bagatilo's like, woo! I need to find one of those things, actually. Those party things.
Oh, yeah.
I think I'm going to be a problem in lessons. Every 2 minutes, I'll be like, like cats, hold your horses. Okay, no one. Okay, let's move on. There are some people here who have already worked with my triangle. They're just waiting for the question. They're like, where's the question for this triangle? I see you guys. Okay. Ha! That's not even the next one. We are on patterns. Is this pattern numeric or geometric? Let us see what you say. Malwandla was first. Woo! I like the fact that it changes every round, like you guys are giving me life. Ooh,
Loving this participation.
I love it. Everyone's answering. Like, this is giving me life. Okay. Who's feeling bold and brave enough to tell me why their answer is numeric? Of course. Raise your hand. Let's hear. Okay, Cindy. I hope this is Cindy.
It's me, it's Callan. But
Callan is back. I remember you.
I know that.
Woo! Okay, Callan, let's hear. Why is this pattern numeric?
So the reason why it's numeric, it's because geometric is geometry. So it should deal with like centimeters, meters, or maybe length, or just patterns and shapes. But numeric stands for numbers. And as this has no measurement or like anything related to shapes, it is just a regular, just 3 multiples.
I see. Guys, Callan is here and taking my job. Don't do that, Kellen.
Nice one, Callan.
As Kellen
Yay.
said, geometric works with shapes and numeric works with numbers. But there is one other reason that I was looking for, and that is in a geometric pattern, we are either adding or subtracting. Do you guys remember that? So in this case, we are always adding 3, right? 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12. But in a geometric pattern, we are generally multiplying or dividing. So for instance, 3, 6, 12, 24, that would be a geometric. And the reason it's so geometric is because we are, for instance, working with sides of a shape, okay? You can't add one side of a shape and say you have the same shape. That doesn't work out. So usually we are multiplying or dividing. Thank you very much, Callan. Let us move on. And there's our next one. Square root of 169 plus 2 cubed. Let us see. Who is the fastest
Stay
fingers?
with us, guys. Stay with us, please.
Do we have an answer? We have an answer. Ha! Kellen's like, boom. Dead.
On a
Oh.
roll. On a roll.
Go pillow. I love it. I am here for it. Manuela, Wami, Gamba, Malwanda, Trevor. Woo, they're coming in now. Iman, Rano. I love it. You'll see, Kellen. You.
Dun, dun,
I also
dun.
don't know. The answer comes to me when I have to tell you guys. Woo. I like it. I like it.
Looking good.
Someone is using a calculator here. Which one? Even my tongue is swelling up now. Do you see?
Put them away, away,
My
away.
tongue is swelling up. I won. But anyways, let's talk about this. The square root of 169 is 13, because 13 times 13 gives us 169. And 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So now we have 13 plus 8, and that would be 21.
Yay.
Woo! Wow. Next. See, perimeter. Perimeter. I'm gonna get you guys. Who said perimeter anything here? What type of triangle is this? Fastest fingers. You, no matter, you're going through a lot of emotions at this moment. No matter, is like, yes, what? No, never mind.
Nope,
Yes,
nope,
no, give it. Ooh, we have a battle of the triangles. Some say isosceles. I think
No
that's
matter
what
who
we're supposed
says
to be
she's like,
spelling, guys. Your isosceles is also. They are isosceles. Some say equilateral. Ooh. Let's see.
ooh.
Autocorrect. Oh. Take out autocorrect. Guys, just be like, no. Phew, we have a battle of the what type of triangle is this? Guys, it is an isosceles. It is definitely an isosceles triangle. Who was the fastest thing? No, Matlubi, you were gonna win this round, but you were like, no.
Ooh, she took it back.
I see you, but I'm gonna give it to you. It's an isosceles triangle. Okay. Wait, I was right. I take it back. Yay, we are cheating when it's fine. I'm not cheating. It's fine.
Well
I
done,
think-
your Watobe.
Guys, an equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides. Only 2 of them are equal in this case. Okay. And now, I hope those people who are cheating me will be the fastest fingers, because what is the perimeter of this triangle?
Oh, the question they've been waiting for.
Eh, Bulela, I knew it. Bulela, I knew it. I knew it. Bulela even typed it before it showed. Bulela was like, you know what?
They knew it
That's
was
fine. I'm gonna answer
coming.
14, whether she likes it or not. Today, I'm gonna have my 14. And you are all correct. So these two sides are both 4 centimeters. So it's 6 plus 4 plus 4, and we have our 14. Wow. Well, that Bulela was ready. Bulela was gonna give me 14, even if I didn't ask.
So
for it.
ready. Yes.
Like 14.
Like, by the way.
Well done, Bulela. Yeah, I'm just like, okay, no, it's fine. And that is the end of our session, guys. Questions? Anyone? At least we all got it right. Not all of you, because 14 centimeters, Helen. You guys in units, you're gonna get in trouble one day. One day. Cindy says this was interesting. I'm gonna take that as a compliment. Unless you're saying it in a weird, interesting, like, look at this poor girl. Yo, what's going on? That is a bad, interesting. Any questions? Any parents? Someone says, how do you calculate perimeter? You add all the sides, darling. So you're gonna say the 2 sides that are 4, 4 plus 4 plus 6 at the bottom, and that's how you get your 14. No
Don't panic,
questions?
guys. That's why we are here.
Yay! Jordan has a question. Okay, go for it.
Hi, Kat. That's Jordan's mom, Ray, again. I just want to know, how many children are usually in a class, an online class at a time?
I think it mainly depends, first of all, on the grade, and secondly, on the foundations or standard. But I think the number you see right now, which is about 40, is generally, I think, a healthy middle. So about 40, sometimes less, sometimes more, you know. But I think this is a healthy middle of the number to expect in a class.
Okay, thanks. And then is it easy for the kids to sort of keep up in that lesson with
Yes.
everybody else?
Yes, that's why we split them according to foundations, because foundations will focus more on, you know, going a little bit slower and stuff, whereas standard is more questions. Foundations is more building up from the explanation. Why does it work this way and stuff like that? So that's why I say, according to whichever class they put your daughter in, I would recommend that she stays in it, because it will probably be more helpful. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Helen,
Hi.
what's happening with my network? My connection is buffering.
Sorry, Karen, I accidentally muted you there. Can you please unmute?
Hi, it's okay, ma'am. But Teacher Kat, I have a question. Do you remember the last time I was in your class
Mm-hmm.
and I asked for like a little song request? Did you play the song?
I don't even remember. Now I have to go back to that lesson. See, now I can't
It was
see
very long ago.
Right.
Sorry, ma'am.
until I find that video and that one. Now I'm gonna be that creepy girl tonight looking for the song. Woo, Kellen.
Oh, wait, ma'am. Also, so you say these are all these video calls or Zoom meetings are like recorded. What are they recorded for?
Well, in case you miss a lesson. So if you, let's say you have an event at school or you have extramural and you happen to miss a lesson, then you can go back and watch it so that you catch up before the next one. Otherwise, you'll just be confused about what's going on.
I thought it was for studying for other kids.
No, it's for you, same people. So if you miss a lesson, you don't necessarily miss out. You can still go back and watch the lesson and catch up. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're
Bye.
welcome. Bye.